Hello, I'm going to show you how to use filters on the memory tab of C++ Memory Validator. We're going to be filtering data based on the DLL in which the memory was allocated. So we're going to launch the example application by clicking the relaunch icon. Pretty soon the example application is running. Now this example application leaks a lot of data on startup, so I'm just going to close it and we'll work with the data that's already leaked. We're going to be creating a custom filter for this display, so that's a local filter, so right click on any item, local filter, choose custom filter. Select match using DLL, and then in the combo select the name of the DLL that we're going to filter on. In this case we're going to filter on MFC42UD DLL, because that's the MFC DLL that I'm using with this application. This application was built with Visual Studio 6, but if you're using, say, Visual Studio 2008, you'd use MFC90UD DLL. 2010, you'd use MFC10UD DLL. And there, so click OK once you've selected your DLL. Now, if you examine the display, we won't find anything in here that's come from an MFC DLL. We've got some things at the bottom there which are from the C runtime DLL, and all the others are from our DLL. Just to demonstrate that, if I click the filter button and double click the filter, then invert the filter, and click OK on the filter manager, so it refreshes the display and dismisses the filter manager. There we can see the data that is actually selected by the filter. And this is just purely data from the MFC DLL. And there you go, MFC all the way. So that's pretty simple, easy to understand, filtering of already collected data based on the DLL in the call stack in which the allocation happened. Thank you very much.